Let's start with budgeting, the foundation of any solid financial plan. Look, I get it. Budgeting can be overwhelming. But what if budgeting wasn't about restriction at all? What if it was about control and clarity? That's where YNAB comes in. You need a budget. YNAB uses AI to completely transform the way you budget. It connects to your bank account and tracks your spending in real time, so you can see exactly where your money is going. No more manually entering transactions or trying to remember where you spent that extra $20. YNAB does it all for you. YNAB analyzes your spending patterns and predicts your future expenses. Think about it. It learns your habits, like clockwork. Let's say you tend to spend a bit more on eating out during the weekends. YNAB picks up on that and factors it into your budget. YNAB makes smart recommendations based on your unique spending habits and financial goals. For example, if you're trying to save for a down payment on a house, YNAB might suggest cutting back on dining out a bit each month to free up some extra cash. The cool thing about YNAB is that it's not just some robotic budgeting tool. It feels personalized, like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. YNAB's AI continues learning from your spending, offering more tailored advice the longer you use it. With YNAB, you're not just creating a budget, you're creating a roadmap for your financial future.